Good morning children. In the previous class we have done up to C sum in 6th question. Today we shall do the D question in 6th question. Today let us do the D question in D sum in 6th question. It is in page number 40 workbook. Okay children, today we are going to do the D question in 6th sum, page number 40 workbook. So let us write down the question. 73 minus 72 plus flower bracket 87 minus 9 in the round bracket minus 69 plus 9 in the round bracket flower bracket and then the square bracket. Okay children, so let us solve the sum. According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the terms inside the brackets. There are three kinds of brackets: round brackets, flower or pearl brackets, and the square brackets. First we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket, then in the flower bracket, and in the last we have to solve the terms in the square bracket. Okay children, first we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket, then in the pearl bracket, and in the last we have to solve the terms in the square bracket. This bracket is called pearl bracket or flower bracket. Okay children, now first let us solve the terms inside the round bracket. Let us solve the terms inside the round bracket. 73 minus 72 plus. So here we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. So 87 minus 9. 87 minus 9. 17. Here it is 7. 17 minus 9 is 8 and 7. So here the answer is 78 minus 69 plus 9 is also 78. So we have to place the flower bracket, and in the last we have to place the square bracket. Did you understand children? First we have solved the terms inside the round bracket. 87 minus 9 is 78 and 69 plus 9 is also 78. Okay children. Now let us solve the terms inside the pearl bracket or flower bracket. Now let us solve the terms inside the pearl bracket or flower bracket. Okay children. 73 minus 72 plus 78 minus 78 is 0. 78 minus 78 is 0. So, after solving the terms inside the flower bracket, let us solve the terms inside the square bracket. Okay children? 73 minus 72 plus 0 is equals to 72. So, the answer is 1. 73 minus 72 is equals to 1. Okay children? Now, let us do the E sum. Let us do the E sum. Okay children? Now let us do the E sum. The E sum is square bracket, flower bracket, round bracket, 5 into 6, round bracket, minus 3 into 7, round bracket, curl bracket, plus 72, square bracket, minus 9. So, according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the terms inside the bracket. You know that there are three types of brackets: round bracket, curl bracket and square bracket. First we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. Okay children? So let us solve the terms inside the round bracket. Flower bracket, 5 6 are how much? 5 6 are 30 minus, here there are two round brackets. First I have solved the first round bracket. Here 5 into 6 is given in the round bracket. So 5 6 are 30. Now let us solve the second round bracket. Here the symbol is minus in between these two brackets. So I have placed the symbol minus here. 3 sevens are how much? 3 sevens are 21. So the next round bracket is also solved. Next we have to place the curly bracket plus 72. Then we have to place the square bracket, and at the last we have to put minus 9. So after solving the terms in the round bracket, we have to solve the terms in the flower bracket. Okay children? Square bracket. So now we have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. So 30 minus 21 is how much? 30 minus 21 is 9. 30 minus 21 is 9. So 9 plus 72 minus 9. 9 plus 72 minus 9. Okay children? After solving the terms inside the flower bracket, now we have to solve the terms inside the square bracket. Here we have to add these two terms. 72 plus 9. 72 plus 9, which is 81. 72 plus 9 is 81. So in the last is given that minus 9. After the square bracket, it is given that minus 9. Now you have to do the subtraction. So 81 minus 9 is equals to 72. 81 minus 9. So 1 become 11 and 8 will become 7. 11 minus 9 is 2 and 7. So the answer is 72. Did you understand children? First we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. 5 6 are 30, 3 7s are 21. Then we have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. 30 minus 21 is 9. So after solving the terms in the flower bracket, we have to solve the terms inside the square bracket. 72 plus 9 is 81, and here it is given minus 9 outside the square bracket, so we have to write down minus 9. 81 minus 9 is equals to 72. Okay children, did you understand? Now let us move to the F sum. Now let us do the F sum. Okay children? Let us do the F sum. Okay children, the F question is square bracket, flower bracket. In the round bracket, we have to write 20 into 2 minus, again another round bracket is given 12 into 3. 12 into 3. Next, curly bracket into 35 minus 25, and in the last is given the square bracket. Okay children, now let us solve this sum. Okay children, now let us solve this sum. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. So here two round brackets are given. Square bracket, flower bracket. 22s are 40 minus. Now we have to solve the second and the next round bracket. So 12 3s are 36. Curly bracket into 35 minus 25, and in the last we have the square bracket. Only we have solved the terms inside the round bracket, and the remaining thing we have written as it is. Okay children? Only we have solved the terms inside the round bracket, and the other numbers we have written as it is. Okay children? Now let us solve the terms inside the flower bracket. Okay children? 40 minus 36 is 4 into 35 minus 25. Okay children? Now after solving the terms inside the flower bracket, we have to solve the terms inside the square bracket. While doing the square bracket also, while solving the terms in the square bracket also, we have to follow the BODMAS rule. So here first we have to do multiplication, and then only we have to do the subtraction. Did you understand children? Whether you solve the terms inside the round bracket, curly bracket or square bracket, then also you have to follow the BODMAS rule. Here there are no terms with division, so we have to do the multiplication first. Okay children? So 35 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So here the answer is 145. 145 minus 25. So 145 minus. Children, here it is given plus 3. I have not written, okay. Here in the question it is given plus 3 down. I have not written, so I am writing here it again, okay. So 140 minus 25. 140 minus 25 plus 3. Okay, children. 140 minus 25 plus 3. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 100. Sorry, children. Here it is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 115. Here we are having 3 at the end of the square bracket. So we have to write 3 here. So 115 plus 3 is equals to 118. 115 plus 3 is equals to 118. Okay, children. First you have to solve the terms in the round bracket. 22s are 40. 1 3s are 36. So after solving the terms in the round bracket, you have to solve the terms in the square bracket. 40 minus 36 is 4. So after solving the terms in the flower bracket, you have to solve the terms in the square bracket. Here in the square bracket also you have to follow the BODMAS rule. Here there are no terms of division, but there are terms of multiplication. So first you have to do the multiplication. 4 35s are 140 minus 25. So after that you have to do the, after multiplication you have to do the subtraction. 140 minus 25 is 150. So after solving the terms in the square bracket, it is given plus 3 outside the square bracket. So you have to add 3 to the result you have got in the square bracket. We have got 115 in the square bracket. So we have to add 3 to 115. So the answer is 118. Okay, children. Now let us do the G sum. Okay, children, let us now do the G sum. 70 plus 26 into 12 round bracket, curl bracket divided by 2 curl bracket, square bracket minus 35. Okay, children. Okay, children. According to the BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. So 70 plus flower bracket 26 into 12. 12 6 are 72. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. So it is 312. 26 plus 12 is 312. Divided by 2 flower bracket, square bracket and minus 35. So after solving the terms inside the round bracket, you have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. 70 plus, so 31 divided by 2. 31 divided by 2. So one time. 2 goes in 3 one time. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down 1. 2 goes 5 times in 11. 10. 1. Bring down 2. 2 goes 6 times in 12. So the answer is 156. Okay, children. So after solving the terms in the flower bracket, you have to solve the terms inside the square bracket. Now you have to add 70 to 156. Okay children? So 156 plus 76 to 226. 226 minus 35. Now in the last we have to do the subtraction. 6 minus 5 is 1. 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 1. So the answer is 191. Did you understand children? First you have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. 26 12s are 312. And then you have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. 312 divided by 2 is equals to 156. Then you have to solve the terms inside the square bracket. 70 plus 156 is 226. Outside the square bracket it is given minus 35. So you have to do the subtraction. So you will get 191 as answer. Okay children? Now let us move to the H sum. Let us do the H sum. H sum. 37 minus square bracket 8 minus flower bracket 2 minus round bracket, flower bracket, square bracket. Okay children, first you have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. 37 minus square bracket 8, flower bracket 2. So in the round bracket it is given 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then you have to place the flower bracket, and in the last you have to place the square bracket. Now you have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. 37 minus square bracket 8 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. So after solving the terms inside the flower bracket, you have to solve the terms inside the square bracket. 8 minus 1. 37 minus 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, now you have to solve the last one. So 37 minus 7 is equals to 30. That is the answer. Did you understand children? So first you have to solve the terms inside the round bracket. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then you have to solve the terms inside the flower bracket. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then you have to solve the terms inside the square bracket. 8 minus 1 is 7. And in the last you have to solve the terms outside the brackets. That is 37 minus 7 is equals to 30. Okay children, did you understand? All of you do the 7th question for homework. The 7th question is you have to place true or false for the given statements. Okay children? So you all have to solve the 7th question for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.